Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Hey friends, it's great to see you. We're going to be talking all about the money this week. So let's go ahead. So you can count the value of coins in cents. 100 cents is equal to $1. You can use a dollar sign or the cent sign to show a money amount. When you use a dollar sign, a decimal point separates the dollar amount from the cents amount. For example, we have this. $1 and 25 cents. That's how we would say that. When we see that decimal point, we would say and equals to 125 cents as well. So no matter which way you write it, it's both correct, okay? Whatever makes most sense to you. Let's practice this example. What's the total value of the bills and coins? So I have 2 $1 bills, and then I have some different coins as well. So the first thing what I would do is I would sort my money, okay? So I would go ahead and I would sort my money because I have 2 bills, $2 bills, I have 2 quarters, okay? I have 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and then 3 pennies. So I would sort them just like what we did here for step 1, okay? Then I would find the value of the bills, and I'd start with my biggest amount of money. So I'd go from my dollar bills, then I'd count any quarters, add on any dimes, any nickels, and then any pennies, okay? And so what I like to do is I like to draw them out. So I have my $2, okay, I know that I have my $2, and then I'm going to count up my change. So I have 2 quarters, so I'm going to go 25, 50, and I'm going to stop. And then I like to put a line there so I know that I can separate from when I'm counting by quarters to dimes to nickels, and then switch my mind to counting by pennies. So count with me, 25, 50, stop. Add 10, 60, 70, stop. Let's add 5, 75, 80, stop. Now add ones, 81, 82, 83. So I know that I have 83 cents and I have $2.83, which equals $2.83. And we can draw it just like this. And you can also draw it just like this, 283 cents total. But I like to draw it this way. That's how a lot of grown-ups like to draw it. Let's practice one more example. So Pam has some money. Ida also has some money. We're going to compare the value of the 2 combinations of money using greater than, less than, or equal to. So the first thing we have to do is figure out how much Pam has. So this is how much she has. Okay, we're going to add hers up, and we're going to add up Ida's. Okay, so I can see that Pam has a $1 bill, and she also has 2 dimes and a nickel to give me 25 cents. So Pam has $1.25. So I would write over here, I would even put her initial, Pam has $1.25. Okay, now I'm going to count up Ida's money. Okay, so she has 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, and then she has 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. So I would skip count. 25, 50, 75, $1. And I'd stop because I'm going to start counting by tens now. $1.10, $1.20, stop. Now I'm going to count by fives. $1.25, $1.30, stop. And I'd start counting by the last couple pennies. $1.31, 100, and $1.32 to give me that Ida has $1.32. And so I'm going to go ahead and compare. And I look at the first number, and I look at the hundreds place, okay, or the dollar amount, and I see that that's the same. Then I'm going to go to the next part, my tens, and I take a look, and I compare the cents amount. Is 25 cents greater than or less than 32 cents? And I would see that 25 cents is less than 32 cents. So I would say that Pam has less than Ida. All right, friends, let's go ahead into our homework tonight and practice this a little bit more, and we'll continue practicing the rest of the week too. Thanks for being so awesome. Bye.